My husband and I bought this old stone house property back in 2018, and we moved here in the summer of 2022 after retirement. And it quickly became apparent that we needed to devote ourselves to building an outbuilding, not only for storage, but for something to live in while we restored the stone house. And fortunately, we had piles of large stones on the property that had come from an old barn in a nearby town. So I designed a garage apartment to look like the historic barns in our area. They have a stone first story and a wood-framed upper story, and most are painted red, which I'll probably do to ours. And I wanted to use those piles of stone on our property in the new barn. And being historians, we wanted to build it using historic materials. So we could use the stone, and we also had some wood from a farm auction. And we didn't have the luxury of time to be able to use only historic construction methods. We have a backhoe to help, but we did use them when possible. During this project, it's given us a deep appreciation for those who build with stone. It is quite the undertaking, and it requires as much brain as it does brawn.